Welcome to the unboxing of the brand new Honor Magic Vs3. Let's dive right in and see what this exciting foldable phone has to offer. First, we have the sleek packaging with a minimalist design that highlights the premium feel of the device. Opening the box, we're greeted with the Magic Vs3 itself, wrapped security in protected film. Beneath the phone, we find the accessories: a fast charging adapter, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a quick start guide. Honor also includes a protective case, designed to complement the phone's new design. Now, let's take a closer look at the Magic Vs3. Removing the protective film, we can immediately see the stunning new design and the significantly upgraded specifications that set this model apart from its predecessors. Let's talk about design and display. The Honor Magic Vs3 boasts a sleek design, measuring just 9.7mm thin when folded and 4.65mm when opened. It's remarkably slim, akin to a candy bar phone, and weighs only 229 grams. The front features a curved AMOLED display with thin bezels, spanning 6.43 inches, and offering a resolution of 2376 by 1060 pixels. It reaches a peak brightness of 2500 nits. Internally, there's another 7.8-inch screen, with a resolution of 2344 by 2156 pixels. This secondary display achieves a peak brightness of 1600 nits and supports HDR Vivid. Both screens operate at a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Come to camera setup. The triple rear camera setup includes a 50 megapixels main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 40 megapixels ultra-wide angle lens, an 8 megapixels periscope unit capable of 5x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom. Selfies are covered by 16 megapixel sensors on both the external and internal screens. Let's talk about performance and storage. Under the hood, the Honor Magic Vs3 houses a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It offers up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a whopping 1 terabyte of storage, ensuring ample space for your files and apps. In the battery and charging section, the device packs a 5000 mAh battery, which should keep you powered throughout the day. Charging is lightning fast, with 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. What is the connectivity and OS? RF enhancement ensures stable connectivity, while a security chip protects your privacy. The Magic Vs3 runs on Magic OS 8.0, featuring convenient features like split-screen functionality. In the summary, the Honor Magic Vs3 combine impressive spec with a sleek design, making it a compelling choice in the foldable phone market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech unboxing and reviews.